Boneyard Garage here. So I got this tiller that the back cover came undone, ripped the hinge off. So we got a piano hinge, and I clamped it on. I already started the job. I drilled a bunch of holes, as you can see, and then I'm going to spot weld it on each hole all the way over, and make sure I clamp it nice and tight. And then I'm going to do the same on the flat right here. I'm trying out my new Everlast MIG welder with gas. I used it once before, works really nice. So I'm going to get going on that, and we'll be back. Okay, so you want to make sure, of course, you got your welding helmet. This isn't an automatic darkening helmet, it's just a regular helmet. Welding gloves, long sleeves, and I got my fire extinguisher over there just in case. So let's go get a welding. Okay, so I got it all spot welded. Came out okay. I started grinding some of the welds. So I'm going to get that done, and then we will connect the bottom half and see how it works. Okay, so I have the holes drilled in the bottom half. Cleaned up the welds a little bit on top. So I'm going to weld this on, spot weld that, and I'm also going to tack it on the bottom back side, and on this side it's starting to come apart a little bit too, so I'll tack that. But I'm going to go ahead and get these spot welds in, and we'll just keep plugging along. Okay, so we got the bottom half tacked on there. Came out pretty good. So I'm going to take the grinder and clean that up. I also re-tack this on the bottom here. I'll get all that cleaned up, and then we'll give it a coat of paint so it won't rust, and call it good. Okay guys, let's get grinding. cleaned up, and I'm just going to throw in a quick coat of red paint on here, nothing fancy. And then when the paint dries, I'll put some white grease on the hinges. And we'll call it the day. Let me get some paint flowing here, guys. And just, you know, not go crazy with it, just get a coat so it don't rust. Okay, so we got a coat of paint on it. Looks pretty good, came out pretty nice. You know, it is what it is. But the flapper works nice. And we'll get a little bit of white grease on that hinge after this paint dries, and good enough. He can go finish rototilling his garden. Okay guys, that's it for this one. If you like my videos, please hit that thumbs up. If you haven't hit the subscribe, please do. Hit that little bell, give you notifications. And please share my videos and tell your friends. And okay guys, that's it for this one. Boneyards out.